Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the delicious and nutritious world of fruits, exploring 9 incredible options that you should be incorporating into your diet for better health. We all know the age-old wisdom, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you know that the world of fruits holds so much more potential for boosting your well-being? Let's get started. Let's start with the superstar we all know and love, the apple. Crunchy, juicy, and available in a rainbow of colors, apples are more than just a tasty snack, they're nutritional powerhouses. One of their key benefits lies in their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and regulating blood sugar levels. Apples are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as a quick snack, slice them up in your breakfast oatmeal, or add them to salads for a touch of sweetness and crunch. Baking an apple pie? Keep the peel on for an extra boost of fiber and nutrients. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it keeps you feeling energized and fantastic throughout your day. Now let's move on to another group of fruity favorites. Next up we have the vibrant and flavorful world of berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These little gems are bursting with flavor and are nutritional powerhouses. One of the standout features of berries is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are like little warriors in your body, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Berries have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar after you eat them. So how can you incorporate these little wonders into your diet? Add a handful to your morning yogurt or cereal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a satisfying and guilt-free snack. A handful of berries a day is a delicious and easy way to boost your antioxidant intake and support healthy blood sugar levels. Let's move on to our next fruit. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Or better yet, enjoy a variety of citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and limes. These tangy treats are not only refreshing but also packed with essential nutrients, particularly vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in boosting your immune system, protecting your cells from damage, and promoting healthy skin. They're also a good source of fiber, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and maintaining a healthy digestive system. Additionally, citrus fruits have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. So, how can you enjoy the goodness of citrus fruits? Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, add a squeeze of lemon or lime to your water for a refreshing twist, or enjoy a grapefruit as a tangy and satisfying snack. Incorporating citrus fruits into your diet is a delicious and easy way to boost your vitamin C intake, regulate blood sugar levels, and support overall health. Now let's move on to another exotic fruit. Let's travel to the land of kiwis, a small but mighty fruit that packs a nutritional punch. Inside that brown skin lies a vibrant green fruit bursting with flavor and goodness. One of the standout features of kiwi is its impressive fiber content. In addition to fiber, kiwi is also an excellent source of vitamin C, even more so than oranges. Kiwi has a moderate GI, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. How can you enjoy this exotic fruit? Slice it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon, add it to your fruit salads for a tangy twist, or blend it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. Let's move on to our next fruit. Let's move on to a fruit that's often overlooked but deserves a spot on your plate, the pear. With its elegant shape and delicate sweetness, the pear is a versatile fruit that offers a range of health benefits. Like apples, pears are an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and blood sugar regulation. Pears contain a specific type of fiber called pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber that dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel can help slow down digestion, which can help regulate blood sugar levels by preventing rapid spikes after meals. Enjoy them fresh as a snack. Poach them in spiced wine for a sophisticated dessert, or add them to salads for a touch of sweetness and crunch. Let's move on to our next fruit. Let's talk about cherries, those small but mighty fruits that are bursting with flavor and health benefits. Whether you prefer them sweet or tart, cherries are a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your diet. One of the standout features of cherries is their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are the pigments that give cherries their vibrant red color, and they also happen to be potent antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health problems, so incorporating cherries into your diet is a delicious way to combat this issue. Cherries have a low GI, making them a safe and healthy choice for individuals with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to trail mixes, yogurt parfaits, or use them to top off your favorite desserts. Incorporating cherries into your diet is a delicious and easy way to boost your antioxidant intake, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood sugar levels. Let's move on to our next fruit. Let's move on to a fruit that embodies the sweetness of summer, the peach. With its fuzzy skin and juicy flesh, the peach is not only a delicious treat, but also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. One of the often overlooked benefits of peaches is their high water content. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and peaches can contribute to your daily fluid intake, especially during the hot summer months. In addition to their hydrating properties, peaches are a good source of vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports a robust immune system. Peaches have a moderate GI, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. Enjoy them fresh, grilled, or baked in your favorite desserts. Add them to smoothies, salsas, or top your morning oatmeal with sliced peaches for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Let's move on to our next fruit. Let's take a trip to the tropics and explore the wonders of papaya, a fruit that's not only delicious but also packed with digestive benefits. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which is known for its remarkable ability to break down proteins. This makes papaya an excellent digestive aid, particularly for individuals who experience indigestion or bloating. Papaya is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Papaya has a low GI, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. Enjoy it fresh, add it to smoothies, or use it to make a refreshing salsa. Papaya can also be grilled or baked for a unique and flavorful twist. Let's move on to our final fruit. Finally, let's talk about melons, those juicy and refreshing fruits that are synonymous with summer. From watermelon to cantaloupe to honeydew, melons are a delicious and hydrating way to beat the heat and nourish your body. One of the standout features of melons is their incredibly high water content. Watermelon, as its name suggests, is made up of over 90% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. In addition to their hydrating properties, melons are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance in the body. Melons have a relatively low GI, especially watermelon. However, it's essential to enjoy melons in moderation, as they do contain natural sugars. Enjoy them fresh, add them to fruit salads, or blend them into smoothies for a hydrating and nutritious treat. Let's move on to our final scene. And there you have it, 9 incredible fruits that you can easily incorporate into your diet for better health. From boosting your immune system to regulating blood sugar levels and supporting digestion, these fruits offer a wide range of health benefits. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. So start incorporating these delicious fruits into your meals and snacks today, and experience the transformative power of nature's goodness. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you in the next video.